Hey there, YouTube and world. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So today I'm going to do some review on some stuffs that I got from Hallmark. Those keepsake ornaments that I do review on. So I got a couple of them since Christmas 2016 is over. So now it's February 2017. So Hallmark is clearing its stock of keepsake ornaments, and I happened to pass by one of the Hallmark shops and got some Hallmark keepsakes that I wanted to collect. So let's start. First of all, this is the packet. These are the Hallmark keepsake ornaments. Let's start with this one. Okay, so this is Batman. Batman from Batman versus Superman, the movie Dawn of Justice. So I saw this Batman in the catalog, and I thought, yeah, this Batman will work. This Batman is cool. So this Batman is worth the collector's item. So I went and got it. This is actually Batman and a Superman logo from the movie Batman and Superman. So you can actually make Batman just stand on this stand, and this is the pose that this Batman is actually Ben Affleck. So yeah, so this is the pose. So that's Batman. Let's see what we've got next. All right, so here we have slinging and swinging Spider-Man. So this is another Hallmark keepsake ornament that I wanted to collect. This is Spider-Man. He's stuck to they're stuck to a window. This has actually a mirror reflection on it, and the awesome thing about this is once you switch this on, you can see Hobgoblin on the reflection. He's coming to attack Spider-Man. Spider-Man is getting ready for some action. So this Spider-Man is super cool. Yeah, I like this Spider-Man better than Batman. So you can see the reflection of the buildings as well. So this is what the collector's item. So I got it. All right. So next we have yet another packet, and there's a packet inside the packet. So let's check it out what it is. Yeah, this is from Star Trek, the Man Trap Star Trek, and I got this on sale. This is one awesome item, worth the collector's item. So this is Captain of the Star Trek ship, uh, and the Man Trap is actually attacking the captain. So this has a voice. I haven't actually put in the battery that comes with it. Yeah, these are the two batteries that comes with it. So I haven't put it on, but this is the next one. And hold on, I think I'm not giving you guys the actual price. So this Star Trek is US dollar 29.95 and Canadian dollar 38.99. The Spider-Man is 24.95 US and 29.99 in Canada. And the Batman is 15.95 in the US and 20.99 in Canada. All right, let's see what we have got next. So these are the things that I've already reviewed. I'm doing very quick and short reviews because I've got a lot of Hallmark ornaments that I got on sale. Okay, next we have Team Iron Man, Captain America Civil War. Okay, and let's give out the price beforehand, and it's $15.95 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. So let's open this up. Holy moly, look at how awesome this Iron Man is. Holy macaroni. This Iron Man is super cool. Wow, this is worth it. Look at the paint job on the Iron Man's armor. Awesome. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I'd love to hang this Iron Man in my toy collection shelf. I don't hang these ornaments on the tree itself. I hang it in my collector's shelf. So that's where I'll be hanging Iron Man and the rest of it. Okay, next we have Superman from Batman versus Superman Dawn of Justice movie. So I've got Batman, I have Superman. Let's open it up. Let's get Superman out very quickly. All right, so this is the Superman from the movie Batman versus Superman, and he also has a stand, so you can actually make him stand as well. And this actually works like this. And the Batman goes on and like this. Okay, and then you put these two together to make the Superman Batman symbol, and this is how they stand. Yeah, guys, don't you think they're super cool? Don't you think they'll look awesome when I put them on my toy shelf as collector's item? Yeah, it's worth it, man. It's really worth it. Okay, next, what do we have next? Last but not least, we have Captain America. Captain America Civil War movie. So let's open up Captain America. Get him out real quick. So this is the pose that Captain America is giving. This is actually, you need to hang him as well. So yeah, so look at the details. Look at Captain America. All of these items are have details. That's what I like about Hallmark keepsake. They really have details. All right, so I think I didn't give the price of Superman. Let's give the price of Superman. 15.95 in the US and 20.99 in Canada. Let's give out the price of Captain America. It's 15.95 in the US and 20.99 in Canada. So remember, folks, since Christmas is over, these items are on sale in Hallmark, but I don't think you're gonna get them because the last I checked, they did run out of stock. But you can get them online for a decent price. Not the price that I've shown, but you can get them on a discounted price. I'm actually not selling them. I'm just doing a review because I actually collect it myself. I don't, buy toys and sell them online. I just buy toys and put it in my collector's shelf. You know, and look at them every day, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I would say these Hallmark collection has been the best so far for me. The keepsake ornaments really rocks, man. All right, stay cool, everybody, and see you later, man.